There's no logic that suggests that when rates drop, prices will do anything but go up. The market's been somewhat locked for the last 18 months since the interest rate hikes in the spring of 22, sellers not wanting to sell and buyers not wanting to buy. On the sell side, there's limited supply because where sellers going, it's been too expensive to trade. On the buy side, you have buyers not wanting to take on the interest rate, forces them to stay and rent. But the other side of that is giving buyers some concern, the duration of the hold and their break even or the lack thereof. In a high interest rate, low appreciation period, it's going to take a lot longer to break even on the purchase of a home. And so that's been giving buyers or would-be buyers some pause as well. Now, when rates come down consistently to 6 or mid 5s, what's going to happen is you're going to have sellers that are sitting on these 4% interest rates. And because their pain is great enough, they can justify paying 1.5 or 2% higher rate. There's going to be other sellers that are looking at a 3.5 or 4.5% spread in rate, and that might be too much, so they'll just suck it up and deal with the pain of their current living situation. You'll have renters that have been watching the market and decide, okay, I know I'm going to be here for at least another 5-10 years. Rates make more sense now. I'm coming back into the market. But it's not going to be this overnight surge in demand. It's going to be a gradual and consistent increase in demand as rates come down. Now, here's the important part. When rates went higher, prices stayed firm. Why? Because we shifted from a demand-driven market to a supply-constrained market. There's no logic that suggests that when rates drop, prices will do anything but go up. Yes, there'll be additional supply from sellers who can now justify selling their home, but generally speaking, the majority of sellers are going to be buyers as well. One increased unit of supply is going to trigger one increased unit of demand, while also bringing on additional units of demand from first-time home buyers. So you're gonna have net more demand than supply. This goes back to a demand-driven market. And again, if demand outpaces supply, prices go up.